A very good evening, students. This is teacher Alfonso here with another lesson of grammar. Today, we'll be learning about sentences and its kind. In English grammar, a sentence may be defined as a sequential group of words that make sense or convey a meaning. For example, such as a sentence may be classified according to its forms, like as following like assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, or exclamative sentence. So today we know sentence. Is a group of words which makes complete sense. So we will go through the kinds of sentences today. Now, coming to the first, it is an assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is one that states, declares, or asserts a fact or some information. They must end with a full stop. Here, in assertive sentence, we talk about some information or facts. We talk only about facts or information. For example, here, Aaron speaks 4 languages. So it's a fact and it's an information. They're giving us an information that he speaks 4 languages. A bad carpenter blames his tools. So this is a fact. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is a information. India has unity in diversity. It's information as well as a fact. Jack will contact his aunt next week. It's an information. So our assertive sentences are these which are giving you some information and are giving are the some of them are facts. And if you have noticed, each and every sentence ends with a full stop. Coming next is our interrogative sentence. The word interrogative only tells us that it questions. A sentence in which some information or confirmation is sought is called an interrogative sentence. A question mark must be placed at the end of the sentence. Let me come back to say you the sentence in which some information or confirmation is sought means we are asking from next person. We are asking the second person to give us information. We are looking up for information from further person or an event or some place. So we are asking them information, and when we get the answer, it is and expecting to get an answer. And here at the end of the sentence we have a question mark. What is the meaning of this word? So we're trying to take information. Have you seen the new train? Why do you need so many pencils? When will the program begin? Can you speak Bengali? So these are called as interrogative sentence. And next is our imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a command, an order, an instruction, a request, or a suggestion made by way of an imperative sentence. Such sentence generally begin with the verb and end with a full stop. Like here, like get out of the class, get up, move out, come in are called as imperative sentence. Here a few examples. March forward is a command. Get up once is an order. Read the passage carefully is an instruction. Please fill in this form is a request. Let us order some coffee is a suggestion. So these type of sentences are called as imperative sentence. Next comes is a exclamatory sentence. In this kind of sentence, sudden and strong feeling such as surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness, or gratitude are expressed epithecally. An exclamatory mark is generally placed at the end of the sentence or after an exclamatory word. Like, what a shame we lost the tournament. You can see that exclamatory mark over here. How cruel the hands of the fate. Wow, what a beautiful scene that was. Good heavens, how will we reach the theatre in such a traffic jam? Alas, the poor creature turned and closed his eyes forever. So here Exclamatory mark tells about our emotions. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad. It keeps changing, and wherever our emotions highlight, there this exclamatory mark will be there. This exclamatory mark will be shown to show that this is our emotion. Yes. So students, today we had a session on sentences and its kinds. So we learned about four types of sentences, which was assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. I hope you enjoyed the session and you enjoyed the lesson. If you have still any doubts and any clarification, please feel free to call me or message me. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Stay home, stay safe.